Guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, new series starting out. It's a new thing coming up now. So, this is DIY build and shred. So, basically, in this kind of videos, in this series, we're gonna build ourselves something and shred it hard. So, let's go. So, what are we building today? Let's think about it. So, bunny hopping is a basic skill needed for even a beginner mountain biker. What are we building today? Yeah, it's a hopometer. Hopometer. Yeah, this thing is very helpful to improve your bunny hopping techniques. So you can learn, you can get progression. So let's do that. But we are not going to build it here because traffic, noise, buildings, construction. So where shall we go build? Let's go build in. These are the things you need for building a fantastic hopometer. A few lengths of wood, tiny lengths of wood. L-shaped brackets are so useful. Paper clips or bulldog clips. A tape measure. A marker, a scale if you need, screws, and what's the next thing? You need a saw. This is not a saw, but unfortunately I don't have one to show you, so I'll show you how I cut these pieces of wood, these tiny pieces of wood. Guys, even I don't have the main thing, it's the PVC pipe. It's very essential for building a hopometer. Let's see, it will come in the future. Keep watching. So let's go and build. So guys, first step is taking the wood lengths, then cutting it off for how much ever length you need. So I have taken 80 centimeter. So it's enough for me to practice now. After we get improving, let's get to the big things. So I have marked from 10, 20, then 25, 30, increasing 5s. So guys, I got the drill gun with the screw holder, screw mount. Then let's begin. Take one length of wood and these two small pieces of wood. So I've marked lines here so that my L clamp fits perfectly in the middle. So guys, so now what we have to do is two screws in here and a screw here to the main wood, one screw from here and one screw from the opposite side on the top. You understand? On the top. Now I'll show you. Guys, please do this with a mate because you can't do this alone. So let's do. Okay guys, I did some mathematics and I'll make it happen now. So this is standing well now. So let's put this L clamp, screw it in. So guys, he's helping me out now. So let's begin. Elderless and bleeding. He's so dedicated that he's on bleeding. Yeah. And this thing is done. Yes. So I do not even suggest wood because you know what happens with wood. You can see right now. So PVC pipes are the best thing because it's flexible. That's it for now, guys. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments. Keep riding, be safe, ride hard, then keep watching. Thank you. Bye.
What a cool evening. Let's have some drink. What can I do for the pipe? It's so hard to get and I'm broke. Fully broke and I can't even afford. I think we should postpone the video date. Hell yeah. There's no need of postponing. Well, hey guys, so I found a pipe for free. Yeah, I did not stole it. I just borrowed it, guys. Yeah, here's the pipe. It's so strong. It's unbreakable.